See, first one, multiplication with 11. So multiplication with 11. So how to multiply any number with 11? Generally, suppose you know 8 into 11, we can easily say that 88. Suppose that number like this 98563 into 11. Suppose we multiply using 11th 11, it takes some 50 to 60 seconds. So 50 to 60 seconds it takes. So in competitive exams, for multiplication you take that much of time means you waste time for doing the problems. So any problem you can do within 1 minute. So this multiplication is one part of the problem. So that's why you can do this multiplication in less time. That is very important. So now here 8 into 11, 88. How to multiply in shortcut way? Here we see that it is very simple. 8 into 11. So now generally 11 8 88, you know that value. But how to multiply in shortcut way? Here we see that. We write this last rightmost digit 8 as it is. We place 1 0 left of this number already. So now we move to next digit. Next digit is 0. 0 plus right side value 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 88. We get that one. Suppose 23 into 11. We place left of this number 0. So last digit is 3. 3 you write as it is. Move to next digit 2. 2 plus right side value 3. 2 plus 3 value is 5. We move to next digit 0. 0 plus right side value 2. 2. 253 is the multiplication of this 23 with 11. Similarly here, we come here. Here also left of this number we place 0. We write last digit as it is. Move to next digit 6. 6 plus right side value 3. 6 plus 3 value is 9. Next move here 5. 5 plus 6 value is 11. 1 carry 1. Next move here 8. 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14. Move here 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus right side value 8 18. Move here 0. 0 plus 1 value is 1. 1 plus 9 10. So this is the multiplication of this number with 11. Any doubt in this one? Anyone have any doubt? You ask through chat box. So 12B5, what is this one? 985630, what is this one? So 12B5, what is this one? Multiplication. Okay, but okay, do that one in that way. 98563. So we get that value is 10841193. Any doubt in this one? So anyone have any doubt? You ask through chat box. So no doubt. Next, I move to another multiplication. Multiplication with nines. Multiplication with nines. Multiplication with nines. Multiplication with nines means 999, 999, 9,999 and so on. How to multiply these numbers? Now for example 8 into 9. We can easily say that 8 9 is 72. So how to multiply these values in shortcut way? So here in multiplication with nines, here 3 cases is there. That first case is number of digits in multiplied number. Number of digits in multiplied number is equal to number of nines. This is the first case. Now 8 into 9. Here 1 digit is there, right side also 1 digit is there. So both number of digits is same. Count is same. So now how to multiply in shortcut way? 8. Here number is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. The 7 subtract from 9. 9 minus 7. So 8 9 is 72. You get that value. 17 into 99. Here in left side we have 2 digits. Right side also 2 digits. Count is same. This number 17. 17 minus 1 is 16. to subtract this 16 from this 99. So now 1 minus 9, 8. 1 here, 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 6. So 1 6, 8 3. 232 into 999, 999. Here 3 digits are there. Here also the right side also 3 digits are there. So count is same. So first here subtract from this number, subtract one value. 232 minus 1 is 231. So 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. So the value is 231, 768. So any doubt in this one? So 231, 768 not 7, 767. So any doubt in this one? Multiplication with 11, with 9s in first case, that number of digits equal number of 9s. Next, move to next second case in multiplication with 9s. Second case with multiplication of 9s is, here number of digits is number of digits is less than number of 9s. That means 8 into 99. Now here we see that left side we have only 1 digit, right side we have 2 digits. How many number of digits? Less 1 digit. So in place of that one, left of that number, we place 0. Now again follow the same rule. This value minus 1, 0, 8 minus 1 is 0, 7. So now 9 minus 0 value is 9. 9 minus 7 value is 792 is the value of this this one 0, 8 into 99 or 8 into 99. 18 into 999. Here left side we have 2 digits, right side we have 3 digits. How many number of digits? Less 1 digit. So place 1 0. So 18, here 0, 1, 8. So here from this number subtract 1, 0, 1, 7. 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0 value is 9. Eighteen into 999. Now here we see that left side we have 2 digits, right side we have 3 digits. So 1 digit less means we place 1 0. So now first subtract from this number one value. 0, 1, 8 minus 1 means 0, 1, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7. So this is the value of this multiplication value. Now for example that number is 22 into 99999. Here left side we have only 2 digits, right side we have 5 digits. How many digits less? 3 digits. So place 3 zeros. Now this value minus 1. 22 minus 1 is 21. 0, 0, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. So this is the multiplication value of this one. Any doubt in this one? Next one. The third case. This multiplication with 9s. Third case. Third case is number of digits is more than number of 9s. Number of nines. How to do this multiplication? Here we see. Here suppose 18 into 9. Generally, 9 is nearer to 10, 99 is nearer to rounded value 100, 999 value is nearer to 1000, 9999 value is nearer to 10,000. Here observe that here 9 means nearer value write 10. After 1 we write 10. 99 means here 2 digits is there. After 1 we write 2 zeros. 999 means here 3 digits is there. After 1 we write 3 digits. Here 9,999 is there. After 1 we write 4 digits and so on. So here 18 into 9. So here this one is nearer to 9 is nearer to 10 means we write 18. After that one we write 10. 9 is there, we write 10. And we subtract this 18. 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 1, 6. 162. Similarly, 232 into 99. Here 2 nines means after this value write 2 zeros and to subtract that same value 232. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 9. 9 minus 3, 6. Here 1 is there. 1 means 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Here 2 is there. Write 2. 2, 2, 9, 6, 8. So this is the value of multiplication of these numbers. Next, multiplication with 5. How to multiply any number with 5? Now, generally 5 write it as 10 by 2. 10 by 2. Now, for example, 123 into 5. Now you have to see that in shortcut way how to do this one. So after this value, write 0 and divide by 2. So multiplication with 10 means after this value, write 0 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, carry 1, 1 0 10, 2 5 ja. So 615 is the multiplication of 123 into 5. Similarly, we take one more number, 929 into 5. Right after this one, 0 divide by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, carry 1 1 2 12, 2 6 ja 12. Next 9 2 4 ja 8, carry 1 1 0 10, 2 5 ja. 4 6 4 5 is the multiplication of this value. Next 1 6 7 8 into here write into 5. After this value write 0 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6, carry 1 1 8 18, 2 9 ja. 839 is the value of this one. So any doubt in this one? So all of you note down all these shortcuts. Otherwise, you forgot all these things. These are very important for your placements. All these things, everyone is important. These are the basics. Basics is important. Basics are used everywhere in every chapter to quickly do all the problems. Next, multiplication with 25. How to multiply any number with 25? Now here we see that some 23 into 25. Generally 25 we write it as 100 by 4. So 100 by 4. 100 means write 2 zeros by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja 20, carry 3 30, 4 7 ja 28, carry 2 0 20, 4 5 ja 575. Next, 89 into 25. Right after this one, write 2 zeros by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, carry 1 1 0 10, 4 2 ja 8, carry 2 20, 4 5 ja 2225. 128 into 25. We write 2 zeros after this number, right side of this number, and divide with 4. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 0 0. So this value is 3200. So like this, you multiply any number with 25. So anyone have any doubt in this multiplication with 25? Next, multiplication with 125. Multiplication with 125. So 125, we write it is 1000 by 8. So 45 into 125. We write, after this one, we write 3 zeros and divide with the 8. 8 1 ja, 8 6 ja 42. Carry 3 30. 30 means 8 3 ja 24. Carry 6 60. 8 7 ja 56. Carry 4 40. 8 5 ja 6375 is the multiplication of this number. 108 into 125. After this number, we write 3 zeros and divide with 8. 8 1 ja, 8 1 ja, carry 2 28. 8 2, 8 3 ja 24, carry 4 40, 8 5 ja 40, 0 0. So 13500. 763 into 125. Write 3 zeros and divide with 8. 8 1 ja, 8 9 ja 72. Carry 4 43. 8 5 ja 40. Carry 3 30. 30 means 8 3 ja 24. Carry 6 60. 8 7 ja 56. Carry 4 40. 8 5 ja 95375. The multiplication of these numbers. Now do this one. So all of you do this one. 968 into 125. Do this one and quickly give answer. Do this one. So do this one. All of you do this one. 5P7, 5B5, 579. These 3 persons give correct answer. 12B5. Give correct answer. 5K4, 5M7. These persons give correct answer. Very good, ma. 545. Give correct answer. 578, 251, 553, 490. All these persons give correct answer. Answer is 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 000. This is the correct answer. So most of the persons give correct answer. Very good, ma. Next. Multiplication with 625. So how to multiply any number with 625? 625, we write it as 10,000 by 60. Suppose 83 into 625. So here we write 4 zeros and divide with 16. 16 1 ja, 16 5 ja 80. Carry 3 30. 16 1 ja 16. Carry 14 140. 140 means, so here 16 9 ja 144. 16 8 ja. Here 16 8 ja. Now 16 6 ja 96. 16 7 ja 112. 16 8 ja 128. So here 16 8 ja 16 8 ja. Now 128. 140 minus 128, 120. 120 means here 16 7 ja 112. Carry 80, 80, 16 5 ja 51875 is the answer of this one. Next, 423 into 625. 4 zeros divided by 16. 16 1 ja 16 2 ja 32. Carry 10 103. 16 5 ja 16 6 ja 96. Carry 7 70. 70 means 16 4 ja 64. Carry 6 60. 16 3 ja 48. Carry 12 120. 16 7 ja 112. 80 80. 16 5 ja 264375. So this is the right answer. Now do some problems. Four 453 into 625. Do this one. 453 into 625. Do this one. Everyone do this one. Everyone do this one. So some of the numbers give correct answer. 283125. This is the right answer. 283125 is the right answer. Next, another very important thing is square of a number. How to find the square of a number? I will tell 3 different methods. Which one easy that you will follow. Now first here, generally here you know 1 square value is 1, 2 square value is 4, 3 square value is 9, 4 square value is 16, 5 square value is 25, 6 square value is 36, 7 square value is 49, 8 square value is 64, 9 square value is 81, 10 square value is 100, 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256, 17 square is 289, 18 square is 324, 19 square is 361, 20 square is 400, 21 square is 441, 22 square is 484, 23 square is 529, 24 square is 576, 25 square is 625. So these are the squares up to 25 numbers. Now how to find square of a number from 26 to 75. Now here we see that 26 square. First, this 26 are the given number. First compare with 50. Compare with 50. 50 minus 26, 24. 24 square value is 576. In this 576, last 2 digits you write here. Remaining 5 is carry. Next we compare this 26 with 25. 26 minus 25 is 1. 1 plus carry 5. 6. 676 is the square of this number. Now see that 29 square. First 29 compare with 50. 50 minus 29. 21. 21 square is 441. In this 441, last 2 digits is 41. Right here, remaining digit is 4. 4 is carry. Now compare this one with 25. 29 minus 25. So 4. 4 plus, here carry 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 841. 36, 35 square. First 35 compare with 50. 30, 50 minus 35. 15. 15 square is 225. 15 square is 225. Right, last digit, last 2 digits here, 25. Remaining is 2. So 2 is carry. So 35 compare with 25. 35 minus 25, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1225. 49 square. First compare with 50. 49 minus 50, 1. 1 square value is 1. So 1 square value, 1 means you write 0, 1. Next 49 compare with 25. 49 minus 25 value is 24. 2401. So anyone have any doubt in this one? So first compare with the 50. The difference value is square and we write last 2 digits here. And remaining digit taking as carry. And next to compare with the 25, the difference value is added to carry and we write here, that is the square of any number. Now 63 square. So first 63 compare with 50. 63 minus 50, 13. 13 square is 169. So 69 here, 1 is carry. 63 compare with 25. So 63 compare with 25 means difference is 38. 38 plus 1, 39. So any doubt in this one? So find sum of the squares. 73 square. Do this one. 28 square. 36 square. 44 square. 52 square. Do this one quickly. In this method, we do that one. Do that one, man. Everyone do that squares. Find that one. Thirteen square, 36 square, 1296. 34 square, 1936. 52 square, 2704. That one correct one. B5. What about remaining persons? Do that one. $73 square, 4929. Okay, ma'am. $28 square, 784. Okay, ma'am. Very good. 5M7. Do quickly. Only 2 people only did this squares. Remaining people they sit ideally. Do this one, ma. Now, here see. 1235 also give some of the correct answer. Very good, ma. Next. Next here see how to calculate the numbers more than 75. Now 76 square. How to find this one? Now first this 76 compare with 100. 100 minus 76. 24. 24 square. 576. So write last 2 digits here. 76. 5 carry. Now, so you see, whenever comparing with 100, 100 minus 76 is 24. 24 double that one. 24 2 is 48. To subtract that 48 from 100. 100 minus 48 is 52. 52 plus 5. 57. Now 79 square. Once again here we see. Here we compare with only 100. 100 minus 79, 21. 21 square is 441. We write last 2 digits here 41. 4 carry. 21 2 ja 42. 42 subtract from 100. 100 minus 42, 58. 58 plus 4, 62. 6241. 91 square. 91 square. Next, 91 square. Here also first compare with 100. 100 minus 91, 81. 9 square, 81. Now here 9 difference is there. 9 double 9 value. 9 2 is 18. 18 subtract from 100. 100 minus 18, 82. 102 square. So 102 square. So compare with 100. 100 minus 102 minus 100, 2. 2 square is 4. 4 means 0, 4. So difference is 2. Double the 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 is added to 100. 100 plus 4, 104. 10404. 105 square. First compare with 100. 105 minus 100, 5. 5 square is 25. 5 double that difference value 5. 5 2 is a 10. 10 plus 100, 110. 109 square. 109 minus 100 value is 9. 9 square value is 81. 9 double that one, 18. 18 plus 100, 118. So in this way, we find square of any number from 1 to 125. Next here, we go for another method. Now here we see another method. Here for example, suppose we want to find 23 square value. Now here in this 23 square, first here 2 is one digit, 3 is another digit. Now directly here we see 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Here 2 into 3, 6. We write 6. We add that 6 middle value one more time. 9, 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry to here. 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 529. 49 square. 4 is one digit. 9 is another digit. 9 here 4 square is 16. 9 square is 81. 4 9 are 36. You write this 36 one more time. 1 8 carry. 36 plus 36 72 plus 8 80. 8 carry. 16 plus 8 24. 56 square. 5 one digit, 6 is another digit. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 5 6 ja 5 into 6 30. To write the 30 middle value one more time. 6 36 6 here 3 carry. 30 plus 30 60 plus 3 63. 6 here carry 3. 26 plus 6 31. 31 36. So any doubt in this one? That's 93 square. So 9 square is 81. 3 square is 9. 9 means you write 09. 9 3 ja 27. You write one more time this 27. 9 27 27 54. 4 here 5 here. 81 plus 5 86. So any doubt in this one? Anyone have any doubt? Ask through chat box. Do this one in this way. 77 square, 65 square, 49 square, 99 square, 84 square. So find the squares of all these values. Do it quickly. Sixty-five square is 4225 is the right answer. 49 square is 2401 is the right answer. 99 square is 9801 is the right answer. 84 square is 7056 is the right answer. Some of the students give correct answer, only few students, remaining students, they won't give any answers. Next. Above 100, how to calculate the square of the number in this method? Here we see 102 square. Here, first two digits taken as one part, another digit taken as another part. 2 square is 4. To write 0, 4. 10 square is 100. 10 into 2, 20. 20 you write one more time. 4, 20, 40, 4 carry, 100 plus 4, 104. 123 square. Now in this 123 square, here we see that 3 square. 3 square, here 12 is one part, 3 is another part, 3 square is 9. Write 0, 9. 12 square is 144. 12 into 3, 36. This 36 you write one more time. 9, 36 plus 36, 72. 7 you write carry here. 144 plus 7, 151. 136 square. 30 is one part, 6 is another part. 169, 6 square is 36. 13 6 ja 78. You write 78 one more time. 6, 3 carry. 8, 8, 16, 19, 14 plus 1, 15. So 9 here, 15 carry. 14, 7, 8, 1. So in this way, you find square of any number by using this method. The third method. In third method, how to calculate the square of any number? Here we see that one. 23 square. 2 is one digit, 3 is another digit. Now, here directly we see 3 square 9. 2 3 is 6. 6 3 is 6 2 is 12. 2 here carry 1. 2 square 4. 4 plus 1 5. Directly write it in this way. 49 square. 9 square 81. So 9 square 81. 1 here 8 carry. Now here 2 9 ja 18. 18 4 ja 72 plus 8 80. 8 carry again. 4 square 36. 4 square 16. 16 plus 8 24. 53 square. 3 square 9. 3 into 2 6. 6 5 ja 30. 3 carry. 5 square 25 plus 3 28. 76 square. 6 square 36 means 6 here 3 carry. 6 2 ja 12 12 7 ja 84 plus 3 87. 7 square 49 plus 8. 49 plus 8 57. So in this way find square of any number. Square of any number from 1 to 100. Above 100 how to calculate here we see. 102 square. 10 is one part, 2 is another part. 2 square is 4. 2 2 is a 4, 4 5 is a 4. 2 2 is a 4, 4 into 10, 40. 4 carry. 10 square 100, 100 plus 4, 104. 106 square. Now here 106 square. 6 square 36. 6 here 3 carry. 6 2 is 12. 12 into 10, 120. 120 plus 3, 123. 12 carry. 10 square 100, 100 plus 12, 112. So in this way, we find square of any number by using this method. Do these problems. Do this one. Eight 41, 48 square 2304. All B if I give correct answers. '57 square 3249. Very good, ma. Very good. 12B5. One not 5 square is 11025. That one is also right answer. 5 and 7. Very good, ma. So today we stop here, ma. In next class, we'll start some other basics. So here the square, finding a square of any number is completed. So I will start the next topic in next class.